Hello everybody, welcome back by a new video, and today it's time for a brand new Streetlight vlog. So let's start with some clips I recorded when another streetlight collector came over. We went to a little village called Nune, which still has quite some rare fixtures there. So enjoy the videos of that. So as you can see in front of me, there's a new traffic light added to the collection. The lamp channel actually fixed this thing for me because I'm quarantined, so I can't really go anywhere. But he luckily fixed this traffic light for me, so I like to thank him a lot, and I'll put his channel in the description. But yeah, this actually is a traffic light I've been looking for quite a long time, because I know it's just like happened because it's old. It's not like they actually have gold fissures, but I think this one looks pretty unique with its gold fissure. As you can see on these sides, it used to be black as well, but it got gold because of the sun. But yeah, I've been looking out for this one for quite a long time, but yeah, it sucks that I'm quarantined while the replacement project was going on. But in a few days we'll be putting this traffic light on the traffic light pole, and that will actually be the definitive version of the traffic light pole. Now I pretty much have every type of traffic light that I want on this pole. And maybe with some help I can actually manage to make the traffic lights work as well. I mean, they work if I turn them on, but they aren't changing colors. But that might change, this summer or something. But that's very expensive, so I have to save up for that. But yeah, let's take a look inside of the traffic light. I mean, I've done that already, but still, it might be fun to show. So the red light. You can see the refractor is kind of burnt right here, but that's fine. It's kind of annoying. It could hurt your finger as well. But yeah, this is what the inside looks like. Very normal stuff. That's quite a struggle to do with one hand. And this is yellow. There's nothing special. This is the best looking one. Of course, that one doesn't have that much hours turned on. So, and yeah, I don't know what happened here. Honestly, it's just, I don't know what happened here. It looks like sand and shit in there. I don't know where that comes from. But the inside looks decent. Oh, there's another one. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it's some sort of capacitor maybe. Yeah, looks like it. But yeah, there was in here previously. But they cut them all out. They don't look very safe, so I understand their choice to do that, but yeah, I know what that was. But yeah, I mean, outside of this lens here, which I might replace in the future, it looks decent in here. But yeah, see you guys in a few days when we are going to put this thing on the pole. So it's good weather, so it's time to do the little bit of replacement, and it's time to make the definitive version of the traffic light installation. I disconnected the right traffic lights because I'll show how it looks from the inside. It's very hard to tell which cable is from which traffic light. So, but yeah, I disconnected the right ones, luckily. Oopsies, forgot to record. But yeah, the signals are on the pole, but we still have to like put the shield on there and stuff, so still enough work to do. So the installation is complete. Now that the new signal is on there with its golden visor, I still don't know how that's possible. But yeah, I did some good work. So I was taking a little walk in the evening, but look at this. So to end this streetlight vlog, I have something very special. So I tried to record like something at work, which, I mean, I tried blurring like my company that I work at. So that's why that stupid smiley is in the video. But yeah, it's kind of very weirdly cut up and stuff, because I mean, try to make it like as, I mean, I just don't know if I'm allowed to actually record shit at work, so that's why I did like this very weird undercover filming thing. It's not, the quality of the video is very bad, but still it might be interesting, because this is actually like, again, a replacement in real life, and I might ask in the future if I'm like allowed to record more stuff at work, because I think that might be very interesting for the channel. But for now I'll record these weird undercover things. But yeah, enjoy the little clip of me placing a fixture. Yeah, that was some high quality stuff right there. Yeah, sorry for the weird blurring and stuff, but my edit program just really sucks. I can barely do anything with it, but yeah, tried my best. But yeah, that was the end of the Streetlight vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.